Rough or tender?
Kuan, I think Tinder.
You don't like rough?
I like you.
Girl, let me provide your needs. Freaky girl under the sheets. With your love when things start slowing down. I know you got me, baby.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. So, my name is Karen. So, my YouTube channel name, Filipinas Simple Life. If you wanna do subscribe, you can subscribe, everyone. So, today, we're gonna talk, everyone, like a random question or spicy question or anything kind of question, everyone. Yeah, and then I have guests here. Yeah, she's very beautiful.
Sana all of you.
And she's my cousin, everyone.
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
Karen's cousin, guys.
Yes. Yeah, what is
So
your
my
name?
unique, my name is Laika. You can call me in short Laika.
Okay, what is your YouTube name?
My YouTube name, hi everyone. If you don't know me yet, I am Karen's cousin, and my YouTube channel name is Filipina Unique. If you are not subscribed, you can do subscribe, guys.
Yeah, you can subscribe, everyone. Yeah,
Yes.
she's always doing live stream, everyone, every day. A long time kanang doing live stream.
Long
everyone.
hours.
A long hours day. I mean, yeah, yeah. She's really hardworking, guys. And then how many subscribers right now?
I just got 58K subscribers yesterday.
Oh wow! Congratulations to
Congrats.
you. Congratulations, everyone.
You too, you're so very hardworking.
No, not really.
Yeah.
Not
No,
same to you.
Before your doing a live stream and Joy Boarding House,
Yes.
like 4 hours as well. 4 hours as
No,
well.
it's not
4 hours.
No.
3 hours. 3 hours.
3 hours.
3
I
hours.
tried 3 hours, 4 hours, but I never tried to 8 hours, 9 hours. Yeah, never.
Me, I tried 8 hours a day.
8
Or
hours a day.
12, 13 hours. It depends.
Wow.
It depends on
Yes,
my
you know,
mood.
guys, very hard working to doing live stream. Okay, so are you ready here to my question, Laika?
A
really?
little bit nervous.
Why? Why you nervous? Why?
Because spicy.
Spicy! Spicy! You,
Spicy question.
you told me earlier you like spicy.
Joke lang.
Is that a joke? Yeah. Oh my god.
It's a very windy here, guys.
Yeah.
Karen's place, it's a very relaxing.
No neighbor, no noising here.
In
Okay.
our
Okay. Continue what you speak here.
in our apartment, guys, in our new apartment with my sister, it's a very noisy. It's always grinding there, welder,
Yeah,
grinding. Because in front of our apartment is one school.
Ah,
It's the school.
Yeah, yeah, this the school. Yeah. Okay, first question, like us. Okay, why Filipina prefer foreigners over Filipinos? Why?
A lot of Filipina prefer American compared to Filipino because I think it's because of the financial stability
Yeah.
and hardworking. Hardworking.
Yeah. Yes, yeah. So that's especially right now, guys. The new generation, everyone is a lot of Filipino have already kanang boyfriend or marry a foreigner, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, compared before. Yeah, because right now, guys, not all Filipino, everybody is kanang bad or something kanang what's that kanang no work like that ba? Yeah, but mostly Filipino right now, especially the younger Filipino, always to do that is fun time like that. So it's better to kuan guys foreign.
It's better to choose foreigner.
So do you like foreigner like
Yes, I like foreigner, but I can choose both.
choose both?
Yeah, it
choose
depends.
both. It depends. No, it depends. It destiny of destination.
It depends of the destiny.
Destiny, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Would you date a black man, Laika?
Yes, I would date a black man.
So have you already dated a black man or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Even
Yeah.
though in chat, Facebook, online.
Yeah,
never?
not yet.
Not
Because,
yet.
because kanang I'm not going to kaning unsa na flirt because
Okay.
because kanang I've heard black man is very very strong.
So you're afraid about of the black man things?
Yeah, not really.
Not really. But you know, guys, no, a lot by people guys said that it's scared what the things of the black
Because
man.
kanang
compared to white
I've heard
guy.
from kanang other people, black man and white man, the differences is they have a big differences.
Why man? What's the big differences like?
Because of the kuan.
Because of the something of eggplant.
Yeah, eggplant.
or banana.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's very strong.
Yeah,
Because
strong.
you know a black man is like that. But mostly by a black man people guys is kind of very generous.
Yo,
and
generous.
kindness. Yeah. Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah.
And
That's the
kind.
one. So okay, like if there kana black man to flirting you, do you what's that? Flirting
Flirt.
too.
If there is,
Oh,
yeah, if there is, I think I would date.
you date, yeah.
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 Because I'm not a choosy girl.
Yes, yes. As long as guys is have a stable
as long
relationship.
as genuine,
Yes.
Go.
Yeah, go na
Go
si
na
Laika.
go.
Go na guys. Yeah, you can go na here. You can subscribe to Filipina Unique because she's go na.
Go, go, go.
Okay, next Laika is, what kind of man do you like? Older or taller?
Older or taller? Older?
Older or
Or
taller?
you mean, sama na?
Kana asa ganan mo kanang pinaganan mo older, young siya pero or taller nga older nga
Older, small or tall? Sama na? Unsa din?
dili older guy or kanang
Okay.
taller guy ina na
Me,
ba?
I'm going to choose both.
Oh.
But I like tall guy as well because you know I'm already short.
Yes, short guys. But mostly man foreign people is kanang
Tall.
tall. Yeah. Yeah, tall.
How about you? Do you like tall?
Yeah, it's really nice tall guys
Yeah.
because if you tall you
Because a
have
lot
long
of
tall-
kanang Filipinas yo the kuanda unsa kanang English anang kanang kanang ay
a lot of
a lot of
Filipina-
Filipina kanang nag-answer lang height ba?
insecure.
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 Yeah, insecurity of the height.
Yes. Yeah, so that's why. So you choose both na lang.
Yeah.
Both. Okay, why do foreigners choose a young Filipino? What benefits of this?
I think the benefits why foreigner choose young Filipina.
Filipina, yes.
I think the benefits guys is the performance of a young Filipina.
It's very active.
Yeah, active and active
Yeah.
now. Active now, yeah.
Yeah, active guys. Yeah, yeah. So mostly guys, I saw guys if the partner have a partner, Filipina is mostly a younger Filipina guys.
Mm.
Yeah, younger Filipina. Because younger Filipina is very different man good guys.
Different compared to the
Older
older
Filipina.
women.
Yeah, older woman like that. Yeah, Filipina, a younger Filipina is very active. Yeah,
What kind of active?
active of activities. Any kind of
Yeah.
activities.
Present
always present. Joke guys.
joke.
Yeah, because young Filipina is kuan maguno beautiful.
Yung,
Yeah, beautiful and then kanang the body it's really
and of course the very attractive beauty
yeah.
is the
Young.
our skin color.
Yeah. Okay, next like rough or tender. What do you like? Rough or tender?
Kuan, I think Tinder.
You don't like rough?
I like to. But I think I'm going to choose tender, a little bit kind of
Soft?
soft
Ah,
compared
okay.
to kanang rough.
Okay, okay.
I don't like bumpy. I don't like bumpy road.
Woo! Guys,
Joke
that's
lang.
only fun
Yeah.
everyone, ha?
Do not kuan guys
Don't
kanang
be take us serious.
yeah, seriously. Don't take it seriously.
Yeah. Okay, next is what qualities do you think are most important to have a future partner? Financial stability, emotional, maturity, or shared fit?
I think I'm going to choose both. It's very important to have a financial stability as well
Yeah.
to provide your family, to provide your daily needs, and of course the most important thing is kuan. Is it faith?
Shared fit.
Yeah, shared faith.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's really nice, guys, if that guy is they have that.
yeah,
All
something
of
like
that.
that, something like that.
Yeah.
You're also very lucky, guys, if you have a partner. What's that ito? Shared faith.
or shared
Yeah,
fit.
shared faith.
Yeah. Next is, have you received any funny or unexpected message from a guy in the chat or in a PayPal donation or something in a super chat like that?
What's that ito?
Have you received any funny or any unexpected message from the guy in the chat or in the PayPal donation? Funny.
I receive super chat, but kanang notes,
Yeah, notes with notes.
Yeah, with notes. Then the note says show fit.
Show fit.
Yeah, show fit. A lot of people, guys, kanang like that, and especially if you're doing a live stream in YouTube, yeah, send a super chat. Then the notes is show fit. I don't know why a lot of
Yes.
people like that.
Why do you like one, guys? Why there's some people really like about fit? Why?
Like sending a fetish, or something.
What's that?
I think that's Indian.
I think that's most Indian. Why, guys? Why do you like fit?
Fit is dirty.
Yeah, fit is dirty because always to kuan walking in the sticky land.
Yeah, sticky, yeah, land. Sticky road.
Sticky road, yeah. Then why you?
Sticky road. Kaban sa Rocky Road. Rocky Road ice cream. Joke lang.
Okay, next is Laika.
Mm.
Do you want a happy ending if you have a partner soon?
If I have a partner, I think
Yeah.
I really like.
You like happy ending?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that's my partner. I will try to give my best to make my partner happy.
Wow, really? Oh my God, how? Can you show it
And-
here?
No. How about you? Do you like happy ending?
Yes.
If you have a partner,
Yeah, me and my partner. Yeah, make what I kinda want.
Yeah.
And then unsatisfied to him. Like,
Yes.
I give to mostly happy at the end of the happy ending.
happy ending. Okay. Nice. Nice.
Okay, do you next question is do you agree that like a bigger is better for you? Because a lot of Filipinos say that bigger is a better.
I've heard a lot of I've heard from my environment
Yeah.
better is bigger is better.
Yeah.
Because you can feel the
The hurt.
the yummy.
The yummy hot dog. The
Yes.
yummy food.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very nice guys, bigger. For me is kuan man. It's nice is better is bigger everyone because if that a big guys, kuan sana it's not easily to what's that kanang hurot ba? Kanang easy ka.
Easy gun. Unsa na daan eh?
Yes, yeah, mostly guys, Filipina is choose bigger is a better. Okay, the last question, Laika. Do you believe people said they can't walk after a foreigner bomb the Filipina? Because a lot of people said that.
I
Yeah.
think for me guys, I believe if you are virgin,
Virginia hot dog?
yeah,
Yes.
if you're a virgin,
Yeah.
but kanang yes, I believe. But if you cannot walk, you can use crutches.
So you can walk everyone.
so that you can walk.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know that wala na ko sunod.
But a lot of kanang kuan man, a lot of kaning not virgin people kanang bumbong with a foreigner still cannot kuan kanang walk because her
Yes.
his partner is kanang they have a bigger kuan eggplant.
Yes. But I think no kanang no sa tawagan na about of that maybe
Maybe you can walk, eh?
maybe you can walk maybe this
But it's a little bit sore, I think.
yeah, maybe, yeah.
In my opinion.
Yes, guys. Yeah. Yeah, because a lot of people to say that everyone, oh, if you have a boyfriend, a foreigner, and then people say that, oh, if you gonna do that bomb, maybe you can't walk, because the part side of the foreigner is it's bigger. Only for that, guys. Just only opinion, everyone, ha.
Yeah, that's for the opinion only.
Yeah, and then so much everyone. If you can watching this, you can subscribe and like, guys, and comment section below, everyone, to answering what I said earlier.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Hope like you're enjoying right now to our interview, and then you can subscribe also Filipina Unique, everyone. Yeah,
Yeah,
hopefully
you can
guys you can
subscribe.
enjoy, guys, and have a God bless you and thank you and bye bye. See you in my next upcoming video too.
Bye, everyone.